Whoa, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh,
Hello my lovelies, and today we are doing a first impression of a couple of new products that I do have. I'm going to start off my eyes and use the LA Splash. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the P. Louise base on my eye. You can see I've got my pig mirror in front of me, so it's going to be much easier to do. Just going to squirt a little bit there, and then probably dab it out with my finger. I've never dabbed it out with my finger before, so hopefully it's alright to dab out my finger. Oh, yes it is. Oh, I actually do. Oh, I actually prefer blending out with my finger. So this is the LA Splash eyeshadow palette. And it's not called anything, it's just called an eyeshadow palette. That's all it's called, it's an eyeshadow palette. But this is it, and the colours look like that. So I'm gonna try, I wanna do like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is they have shades, so I'm gonna go in. So I'm going to go in the first shade called Knott, and I'm actually going to use the brush that I got with it as well. So I'm going to be using this crease brush, because this is a crease brush. I'm going to be using this brush that I got from the Glossy Box to see how this brush is. So I'm going to go in with, whoa, there is kick up in the pan. There is, I don't know if you can see that, but there is kick up in the pan. You can see it right there. Oh, okay, I'm going to put this into my crease. Whoa! So what I'm going to do is just put this in the outer corner of the eye, but just blend. This brush feels I need to put it here. This brush feels really soft. So I'm going to focus on more this side and then go in with the colour. This has blended out really beautifully. If you can see that, but it's blended out really beautifully. I actually like this brush and I love that colour. I have to do like a natural look because it is like a natural palette with some shimmers on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Tiger's Eye and just put that on the outer corner. Whoa! Okay, just to let you know, these shades do have a lot of fallout. So I'm just going to put this one here and just blend it. Oh, that is pretty dark. Just have to blend it because at the minute, as I'm tapping it off, I don't see any fallout, which is a good sign. I'm just going to blend that into the crease. I do like there's a black in this, but there's a dark brown. Okay, this looks really nice. Use the black eyeshadow to create a wing. I literally had to tap it off and literally put it into the outer corner. This is a really dark brown and I absolutely love it. Oh my god, that is really nice. I'm just going to take the white shade that we have in here. Oh my god, and just blend over the top of that so it gives you a nice seamless blend. So there is a couple of shimmers. So there's these shimmers and I think I want to try this gold. Let's see. They're not really pinged out. Wow. These look beautiful, but they're not. Oh, do you see that reflection? I'm going to start with the gold. I'm going to try it on my brush first of all to see what it's like on my brush. It's going to take this colour called, whoa, there's a lot of kick up by the way, just in case there's a lot of kick up in these shadows. I'm just going to pop. Okay, with a brush it seems to be going on pretty well, but it seems to be going very well with a brush. But I'm going to take my finger to see what it's like with my finger. Let's get some on my finger. Oh yes, definitely apply shimmers with your finger. Oh my god, that colour is beautiful. That colour is beautiful. So I'm just going to go back and just blend everything. Oh, okay, I'm going to leave this look here because I feel like if I do anything more to the look, it's just going to act sloppy. So I'm going to do is see how pigmented this black is on the eye and use it for a wing. Looks alright. Ooh, I like that black. Okay, this black. Okay, I need to like a thinner brush just to go into the corner of my eye so it looks very, you know, thing. I do have to build up the black quite a lot, but oh my god, that black, can you see that black? Oh my god. What I'm going to do is do the other eye and then come back when my foundation. So guys, I've just put my foundation on and I'm testing out a new foundation. So that will be coming up, that will be out before this one. Yes, it will be. Put on concealer and I'm going to be trying the Morphe C2.25 concealer. I'm going to put some there. And some there. I'm going to blend it out with my finger. Even though I don't blend it out with my finger normally, I'm just going to try and blend it out with my finger. I'm just going to wet my sponge. I had to wet my sponge, guys. I couldn't do foundation, my concealer with my fingers. It just got, no thank you. I'm going to try that bit again. So, cool, it's damp. So let's try this again. I don't want to put it right on where I normally do, so I'm going to put a little bit more on. There we go. I'm just going to put some on down there as well. There we go. And I'm going to blend this in with my sponge. Okay. I do like the concealer. It's very full coverage. I like that. I did it a little bit at the time because I know probably this bit could be probably a little bit. It's a matte, semi-matte concealer, so that is much better. I'm going to apply this more with a sponge now because it just blends out so nicely with a sponge. I'm going to turn it down so you can see it. But look at this concealer. I like this concealer. It's the first time using this concealer and I absolutely like it. It's not creaseless because it is going into my fine lines, but it's full coverage. I'm going to see how it highlights. So I'm going to put some on my chin, some on my nose, and some up here. I do like it, so you get a lot of product on the actual application. Oh my god, this is full coverage. This looks gorgeous. This looks gorgeous. This concealer I like a lot. I like it a lot. I'm now going to powder my face as I normally do. I'm going to finish up the eyes as well because this palette is really beautiful. I actually do love this palette. Now I need to curl my lashes. I need to curl my lashes and put lashes on. I know I said I was doing it off camera, but lashes are now done. I need to do my eyebrows. Eyebrows are done. So now I'm going to be using a bronzer. Today I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula. I love this bottle of bronzer so much. And I'm going to put it on with a big brush. I like a big brush for my bronzer. Sometimes I go with like a little skinny brush, but today it's a big brush. I tend to go a little ham when it comes to blush and bronzer because I love it so much. So the blush I'm going to use, I'm going to use this. I actually want to use this one, this Beauty Crop one that I got in the last glossy box. So I'm going to mix the colours together. Oh, whoa, so much, whoa, so much fallout. Oh, it's a pretty blush. That is a gorgeous blush. Okay, I'm going to stop applying blush because otherwise I'm just going to be blushed up. I like the blush. I like the blush. Got my lips on and I used the one in, I used an Anastasia Beverly Hills with my lips and I did it in Stripped. Liquid lipstick in Stripped. And I actually like the colour. It looks really nice. It's pale for this look, but I know for a fact I put too much bronzer on. So I'm just going to use, the final thing I'm going to do is use my setting spray now. And this is the setting spray that I'm using. It's the Morphe Continuous one. So I'm going to see how this is. Oh my god. I need to see how it is. Okay, I think I might put too much on because I might be like, whoom. Whoa, I love that setting spray. Okay, that's made my face so much better. It feels like a fine mist. Okay, this feels like a very fine mist. Oh my god. I love the mister. I love it. It's my finished complete look with using all stuff that I used, like the new concealer, new eyeshadow palette, new Morphe setting spray, and I love it so much. So yeah, I hope you do like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.